We've all been there. The before picture. The lawn that makes you cringe every time you pull into the driveway. The lawn the neighbors whisper about. But what if your lawn could look like this? Imagine that lush green grass, thick and healthy. A place where the kids can run wild, where your furry friends can have a blast, and you can finally fire up that grill for the backyard barbecue you've been talking about all year. At Hoffman's, we make it easy to transform your before into a stunning after. Our expert team will create a customized plan for your lawn, tackling weeds, trimming, fertilizing, and ensuring your grass gets exactly what it needs to thrive. And don't forget, we also take care of all your yard cleanup needs and more. We'll clean your gutters, power wash your deck or siding, back up those leaves, the whole shebang, so you don't have to lift a finger. Hoffman's Lawn Care. Write your lawn's after story.